Alright, let's start off. So, well, last time I had this chart for you guys. Now I added some things and I also changed some lines, so I'll show you what I did. So the first thing, let's go on this small chart for now. So I made these bold, these two lines, okay? This is the main channel right now, which is the same as this one in 12 hour, okay? So it's more clear with the additional lines. Now, also I added this line over here, which played overnight, okay? So we actually got 2 wicks. But I told you guys, if you're going to long this, wait for a close above this line, okay? And that's why, in fact, we didn't long it, because we got only 2 wicks and no closes. Now, actually, we could have shorted this, but that was a riskier play, so... Plus, I was going to be asleep, so I couldn't tell you guys, you know, short and whatever. But yeah, technically, we could have shorted this line as well, with invalidation being a candle close. But the safe play right now is longs, so we're going to wait for that. Now, what I want to see is if this channel breaks down, this main one over here, so like on the 12 hour, okay? There's this gap, there's this block which was not tested yet. So this would be a very, very good chance to long. Also, more than that, look at this on this side. See these green boxes over here? So these are green because they're inside my 12 hour block as well. So what I've done is I've put orders over here, and stop loss right below, okay? What I'm hoping happens is that this breaks down, so we'll close below on 12 hour, eventually maybe a retest and dump to here, and here's our long zone. From here, if we get back above this line, and also this line over here as well, it can be a very nice ride all the way up here. So I see this happening on the longer time frames. Basically a fake out below, which I think will happen, just because it's such an obvious pattern now. And we can long this to catch a bounce for the retest. And then we have two choices. Either take profit over here, or take half profit, hopefully it bounces above and retests, and we can add back the profit in here to catch the rest of it. Okay, so that's the plan I have on the 12 hour. And we can see this on the 1 hour over here to get some better entries. Okay, so I found these further gaps in the 12 hour block are these two green boxes in fact. So what I will do is, I'm doing half my order over here, and half over here. Now, maybe in this green box case, what I would do is just put the order over here, because this can bounce as well, you know, so not to risk for literally a few cents to miss the entry, I would do over here, and then over here as well, just in case to catch a wick. Alright, is that clear? Does it make sense to you?
Clear.
Given now the knowledge we have on these patterns, this should make a really good play, if this dumps. Now I'm thinking this can dump also because of Bitcoin. I found...
Yeah, I'm worried about Bitcoin maybe.
Yeah, same thing, because there's this line, this green line, which isn't breaking yet. It's had now 1, 2, 3 wicks, but it's not breaking the monthly. So now it's coming in this tight zone over here, where I would expect a breakdown. And if they want to pump it, they'll fuck everyone up and get a retest above here and back above. Because I think this should hit. I really think these should hit, especially these red lines. I really want to see this hit, just because it will kind of solidify the pattern of a retest, which never got hit in the past. Yeah, see? So it broke down, never got wicked, and now we're near the lines again. So I think it makes sense that they would want to hit this line and the box. So the best way to do that for them would be to fuck everyone up by dumping below this, getting the traders to go short, then longing above again like that, which would match the Solana chart basically if this happens. This is a very clear setup for me, really clear. It's just about being patient, I think. It can happen. I mean, even this line is extra, to be fair. We don't really need this line. It's just I left it here just because, just in case it doesn't break down, this is going to be our new long zone above this one over here. Alright, so just in case we don't get this breakdown, we would ideally want to long. Here we go. So let's say we get this bounce from here up here. Here's a long anyway on this line. Alright, so we'll get the same thing. It's just I want this to happen because it's an easier trade, if that's clear. So we'll leave that there. So array of two options. Probably we can even short scalp this. There's the blue lines over here. These are from high time frame, so this would be a good short as well, and they would probably also match the Bitcoin lines over here. So if we get some crazy pump to this zone, it should also pump Solana to the equivalent zone, which is over here, okay? And pretty much I think most altcoins have the same high time frame charts, which didn't get hit yet. Let's see on Solana. Yeah, this is the 4 hour. That would be probably back up here again. This trend line. I'll try and find some more later on, but pretty much it should be to this zone. Let's check. Oh, Phantom had a nice pump recently. Let's see how this is doing. Because I think also Phantom there's a zone where we could short also. Yeah. So that should match. In fact, look at this. We're bouncing from here probably right now. See this? So I'm guessing if Bitcoin does pump, we can see either up here, Phantom, or to this box. So what I would do is divide my orders in this zone. I'd order small over here and bigger over here. But again, this should match the Bitcoin boxes, pretty much. That's Phantom. Let's see. Atom's doing well. I longed it twice already. Yeah, Atom, so I have these arrows, these zones over here. So if we get closes above here again, probably it's gonna pump to this line, which would also match the Bitcoin boxes. The same distance, pretty much. That's how I see these things. I think I can delete this just because I don't see it happening yet, down here all the way. However, if it does, there's a very nice long zone over here for us. This should be a very nice long zone. I'll actually take them both. Give better entry. Okay, let's save that. Let's go over this chart. Yeah, this box I think played enough now. It's hit twice. I'm gonna delete it, okay? I longed this box twice already. I'm not gonna long it a third time. I wouldn't trust it. And then these lines. So look at this. See on the 12-hour chart as well? This zone? So it's over here and over here, which matches exactly with what I'm thinking is gonna happen if it keeps pumping. So I think we can short this over here. So that would be one of my shorts, definitely. Over here, matching this, wherever it hits. If we get us a pump in the next maybe 1 or 2 days. Wednesday is the FOMC meeting. So Wednesday would be, what price? Wednesday here. So it would be pretty much up here. 15.5, which would be here as well. And also the box top. So if by Wednesday we get some stupid pump on the FOMC, it's literally right. It's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Here. This would be a really nice short, I think. I used to catch a nice wick. Okay, so let's go over that for now. That's done. And oh, Ethereum. And then we can stop here, I think. Solana play was the one I wanted to really go over. Ethereum same as Bitcoin, just bouncing and bouncing and bouncing. What I will do is probably clean up these boxes though. These have hit so many times already. And look at this, there wasn't any closes below, see? Okay, let's get some new boxes for Ethereum. I think the lines are fine. What I will do though is also clear up these. They've been hit so many times already. I don't like giving you guys these signals when they can just break the next time. This I'm gonna keep, just because if it breaks I want to long this zone, so I'll put it green. Okay, I'm not gonna short this again, because it's been hit literally so many candles. How long has this been? Let's see how many days. So since the breakdown over here to here, so yeah, 6 days. I wouldn't short this again. I just really wouldn't. Long is fine, but shorting no. This line I'll keep. Where did I get this line from? Here, okay. Well, for now it's holding, so I'll keep it as well. This is tested already. I think I'll remove it. We'll keep this line. This is a good one. Now, I will also add some boxes on Ethereum. I'll take this one. Though that's hit 3 times already. I don't know if I want to keep this, to be fair. No, I'm gonna delete this box. Just because this breaks down, the box won't hold it. So let's go for this one. This should be a nice scalp, to be honest. So we'll take this box. And there's also resistance. Now this one already played. Yeah, this one I wouldn't take again. I'll keep it just in case. But this one is the real one. This would be a nice short. So let's say, for example, in a few hours, well, a few days, I think, because it's a 4-hour chart. If we get this happening, where's the marker? Oh, there we go. So if this does break down eventually and gets this long over here, we can take profits at this box and this retest of this line. Okay? So that's why I'm keeping this box here. And I would short this if it hits the first time, because this should react. Okay? Maybe a high leverage scalp. But again, the same rules. If you get closes above this line, you want to long it. Okay? So we'll keep this over here. I'll make it thick because it's important. What I'll do is probably clean up this line. Yeah, I'll clean this line up. It's a bit of a distraction. This one I wouldn't trust again, because if this breaks out, this is gonna smash. So I'm gonna destroy it, this line. And we'll keep these. So here will be our long zone after a pump. Okay, towards 1787. So this should be a very nice move. If we get this pump from here to here, that's 5%, no 6% no leverage. Okay, so look for this as well. Okay then, so keep these plays in mind. This will match Solana, pretty much. But mainly this is the one I want to look for. This play. This I'd really like it to happen. Bounce, get above again, keep longing. Or just bounce and take profit over here. Alright, that should be good. Yeah, I think that's all for today then. Any questions, guys, while I'm here?
No, thank you.
No worries. So I'll save this and upload, and you can see it whenever you want, okay? Alright, ciao guys, have a good day.
Thanks.
See ya.
Bye.
Alright, and so for you guys on YouTube, I'm going to have this pretty much a regular thing. I'm going to upload all our live videos onto the channel. If you guys want to join this, I'm going to attach the Telegram link for the free group, and also this VIP group where you have all these charts, okay, and including my analysis and obviously Winxsell's analysis moving forward as well. So yeah guys, you can DM me or just say hi in the chat and say you're from YouTube. Alright guys, thanks for watching and have a nice day.